You're losing money because you're chasing signals without knowing the trend. That's the silent killer in every retail account. So here's what the pros do. They ask one simple question before they even touch the entry button. What direction is the market actually moving? Miss that and you're just gambling with a fancy indicator. I'm gonna show you two-part system that cuts your losing trades in half by doing that one thing most traders completely ignore, respecting the trend before you even think about entry. Now I built this on XAU-USD Gold 15-minute charts, but the logic, it works everywhere. Stocks, indices, crypto, doesn't matter. Price structure is universal. Support, resistance, momentum. They show up on every time frame. You can scale this from 1-minute scalping all the way up to daily swing trades because the principles stays the same. The market moves the same way whether you're trading gold or Tesla. Alright, here's the deal. First tool, the two-pool oscillator. It's a smoothing oscillator that uses deviation-based calculations with a two-pool filter. What does that actually mean? It tracks momentum and gives you visual signals when markets are stretched. So on your chart, you're gonna see this oscillating line moving between key levels. +1, +0.5, 0, -0.5, and -1. When it crosses above +1 and drops a sell signal, that's a strong bearish momentum. When it dips below -1 and fires a buy signal, that's a strong bullish momentum. And the oscillator drops dots right on your price candles, so you do not have to guess. Clean, visual, simple. But here's the thing, the oscillator alone, it'll destroy your account. Why? Because it's got zero awareness of trend direction. It'll hand you a buy signal in a downtrend and a sell signal in an uptrend. You'll take those trades, get stopped out, and sit there wondering why the system doesn't work. The system works fine. You're just using it blind. Before we fix that, go adjust the oscillator settings. Filter length 21. That's it. This smooths out the noise without killing your signal's speed. Now the second piece, the trend indicator A-V2. This thing uses EMAs combined with Heikinaishi candles to show you the market's overall direction. It prints a ribbon on your chart that changes color based on trend strength. When the ribbon's green, buyers in control. When it's red, sellers in control. When it's white, the market's chopping around and you do nothing. One clean visual reference that tells you which side of the market to trade. The font settings, garbage. Here's what you actually need. MA type, SMA, MA period 300. Alma 1. Alma deviation 410. Colors, green for bullish, red for bearish, white for neutral. Now you've got a boundary that separates tradable moments from the noise that bleeds retail accounts dry. Look at it like this. You open XAU-USD on the 15-minute chart. Price is sitting above the ribbon. Ribbon's green. That's an uptrend. Buyers in control. That one observation just cut half of your losing trades because now you're only looking for buy signals. You ignore every sell signal the oscillator throws at you. Doesn't matter if it's strong. Doesn't matter if it looks perfect. If the trend is up, you do not short, period. So now you wait. You wait for the oscillator to drop below the -1 and fire a buy signal. That's your trigger. Market's in an uptrend, momentum is a stretch to downside, and the oscillator confirms a high probability reversal point. That's a valid entry. Not a guess, not a hope, a structured setup based on trend and momentum lining up. Here's the part everyone misses. Risk management isn't optional. Never risk more than 1% per trade. Always set a stop loss. If the market turns on you, you cut the losses at a logical point instead of watching your account bleed out. Your stop loss goes below the recent swing low or under the trend ribbon, whichever makes sense for the structure. Your take profit 1.5 times your risk or 2 times your risk. That's how you stay in the game long enough to let probability work in your favor. Let's move forward on the chart. Same gold 15-minute time frame. Market is still in an uptrend. Another buy signal fires below -1, high momentum, trend alignment, clean structure. That's another valid trade. Few candles later, the oscillator splits out a sell signal, a strong signal, above +1. You skip it. Why? Because the trend is up. Selling into an uptrend is how retail traders get trapped by stop-loss hunting and liquidity games. You do not take that bait. Truth is, most traders lose money because they treat every signal like it's equal. They see a dot, they click buy or sell, and then they wonder why they're wrong half of the time. The pros, they filter every signal through trend direction first. If the trend doesn't support the signal doesn't exist. Now the market toward the ribbon. Oscillator fires another buy signal, this time between -1 and -0.5. It's not as strong as the previous ones, but it's still valid because the trend's intact and the pullback's shallows. This is a lower conviction trade, so maybe you size down or tighten your stop, but the setup's still there because the market structure supports it. This is the edge. You're not chasing every move. You're waiting for the market to come to you in a high probability zone with trend confirmation and momentum alignment. That's what keeps your account alive while everyone else is getting chopped up by false breakouts and market manipulation. And if you want something even simpler, check out the recommended video on your screen. It breaks down the most straightforward scalping strategy you'll ever see. Pure price action, clear entry and exit rules, no complexity. If you want an approach you can start testing right away, go watch it now. Happy trading.